How to log in Webull account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Webull account. For that, you want to open the Webull app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, you want to tap on the login option. Here, you get to log in using your phone number or your email address. If you use your phone number, go ahead and enter your phone number here. Then tap on the next option. If you use your email address, go ahead and enter your email address here. Then tap on the next option. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password option. If you have forgotten your username, tap on the forgot username option. Once you tap on the next option, you will have to complete this puzzle. After that, you will have to enter your password over here. Once that is done, tap on the login option. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into Webull account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.